Okay, this is a bond issuance problem. So this one's a little different. We have additional costs. So we need to consider that when we do our calculation. And so they included on the top line here. So problem 19 from chapter 3, CFIN7, artistic creations. AC needs to raise $250 million in debt. And to issue the debt, AC must pay his investment banker a fee equal to 3.8% of the total issue. The company estimates that other expenses associated with the issue will total $120,000. The face value of each bond is $1,000. How many bonds must be issued to net the needed $250 million? Assume that firm cannot issue a fraction of a bond. So $250 million. Now we've got $120,000 of additional costs, and then we're going to pay our investment banker 3.8%, 0.038. So hit percent. Get the arrow here to add zeros. So our issue size equals, we need to use parentheses this time, $250 million plus the additional costs, and close print, and divide by 1 minus the underwriter's fee. And then the parentheses on the top and the bottom. So $260 million. So we're going to get $1,000 for each bond. So the number of bonds is going to be 260 million divided by 1,000. So 260,000 bonds.